Hi students, now let's look at something that really makes working in Lighthouse ERP easier and more enjoyable: personalizing your workspace. Every user works differently, that's why Lighthouse ERP allows you to customize your layout, tools, and preferences so your workspace fits your role and styles. A user-specific dashboard customization. You can arrange your dashboard the way you want. Add or remove widgets like KPIs, charts, and pending tasks, and keep only what's relevant to your job. Whether you're in finance, sales, or stores, your dashboard becomes your personal command center. B role-based access control. Your role defines what you see. A finance user won't see HR functions, and a store manager won't see payroll data. This keeps your workspace clean, relevant, and secure. C. Customizable menus and shortcuts. Tired of clicking around? You can pin frequently used options like sales order or stock transfer to your quick menu. Reorder menus, add shortcuts, navigate the way that works best for you. D. Theme. Display preferences. You can apply company branding, choose which KPIs or reports appear by default, and even enable keyboard navigation. There's also a quick access toolbar for one-click entry to your most used screens. E. Notification and alert settings. Set up alerts based on modules, approvals, or tasks so nothing slips through the cracks. F. Default input preferences. Speed things up by setting default values for common fields like currency, division, or frequent customers. No need to enter the same data again and again. G. Personalize reporting and filters. Save your favorite filters, customize reports, and view only the data that matters to you without repeating steps every time. H. Workflow automation preferences. You can even automate repetitive steps like routing approvals or triggering alerts so your work flows faster with fewer clicks. So whether you're a new user or an experienced one, personalizing your workspace helps make Lighthouse ERP more efficient, intuitive, and aligned with how you work. These custom settings not only boost productivity, they make your everyday tasks faster and more accurate. Up next, we'll wrap up Module 3 with a quick summary of everything we've covered so far. And then we'll dive into Module 4, where we start exploring each core ERP module in detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Lighthouse Alchemy. And if there's a personalization feature you'd like us to showcase, feel free to drop it in the comments.